In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable iPhone limit incoming calls to contact only. So if you want to block all incoming calls except all your iPhone contact when you have screen time enabled on your device, then you should turn on iPhone limit incoming calls to contact only on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to limit incoming calls on your iPhone to saved contact on your iPhone only, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on screen time. So locate screen time and click on it. Now once you click on screen time, scroll down a bit and click on communication limit. Under communication limit, locate during screen time under allow communication. Tap that. Here you have three options available here under allow communication. This includes everyone. So this is going to allow one-to-one and group conversation with everyone, including unknown numbers, when screen time is turned on. And if you choose contact and group with at least one contact, here this is going to allow one-on-one conversation only with people in your contact and group conversation. So if you already have group conversation going on your iPhone, this is going to permit it. But to only allow incoming calls with contact only on your iPhone when you turn on screen time, just come here and choose contact only, and this is going to limit your incoming calls to contact only on your iPhone when the screen time is active. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.